Hey friends, welcome back to the show. Today we are on location at a customer's home where they're complaining that they're hearing a loud noise coming from the bathroom area and they think it may be the toilet. So let's go in and take a look. I don't know how much talking I'll be able to do. It's a single lady living here, but just pay attention and let's try to find out where this noise is coming from. All right, as soon as we walk in here, you're going to hear a noise. And by all means, it sounds like it's coming from a toilet. Let's follow that noise over to the master bedroom and take a look at that bathroom right there. Yeah, did you hear that? That's got to be annoying. She said it's been doing this for a couple days now. Well, you saw when I went to the first bathroom and stuff, it's really loud in there and stuff. And if you crack a faucet or do something like that, it goes away, then it comes right back in. How the heck are we going to find out what the problem here is? Check this out. Up there on that side of the house, that's the back side of that bathroom we went to first, not the second bathroom. And that is where it's the loudest. Let's go up there and take a look at that hose. Oh, heck, look at this. They left the hose running. Let's turn this off and see if the sound goes away. Bingo. Problem found. Let me show you what it is. This thing has a little vacuum breaker on here, right here. And the little diaphragm in here has gone bad, so this needs to come out. Now usually on these little vacuum breakers, right here is a set screw that they put in there. You're supposed to turn it and break it off. It's for tamper proof so somebody can't take it off. It doesn't look like they left the screw in there. Let me show you a close-up what I'm talking about. Right there, it looks like the screw is missing. If it was still in there, broke off, I would probably have to take a drill bit nice and easy and get that out of there. So let's take the hose off and see if we can get this thing off there and see if that takes care of the problem. This thing's on there. Now is the time to exercise patience, because if I can't get that vacuum breaker off of this hose bib, I'll show you this thing is sunken back in the wall. I'm going to have to chip it all out and all that stuff, and there's going to be a big hole in the wall to replace that hose bib. Oh, she's turning. Oh, God. Plumbing gods are with us. Yeah, baby. Oh, yes. All right, let's get this hose hooked back up here and take a look and see if that took care of that problem inside. Now, if this hose wouldn't have been left on and running, it wouldn't have caused that problem. But the homeowner told me that they forgot and left it on. And so that's been leaking water out of the hose and all that stuff. So just now she's going to know after paying the bill to keep this thing off if she's not using it. Looks like she's going to need a new hose here. Leaking from somewhere. Let me go ahead and shut it off. You can hear no more noise. That little bugger right there made all the noise up in the house. Ended up going bad on him. I don't believe I have another one of these on the van. But I come through this neighborhood often, and I'll put one on my van, and the next time I come through, go ahead and put it back on there. That way it's still up to code with things. All right, so let's take just a second and review what we just saw. Like I said, this little vacuum breaker, they put them on during construction. This house is probably 30, 40 years old, so it's the original one, and it just ended up going bad. The city authorized them to put them in by code to try to keep anything. It's like a little backflow preventer that's in there. You can see that. We got lucky is 99% of the time people end up taking that screw that comes with it and twisting it until it snaps off. If that's the case, the way to get that thing out of there, you'd have to take a screw or a drill bit and try to get that thing out of there without damaging the threads on the hose bit. So the plumbing gods definitely were with us today. Hey, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the video. Listen, guys, and even homeowners, when it comes to things like this, there's mysterious noises that are coming from what might sound like a toilet, whatever. Some of the most difficult things to find are right underneath your nose. So look outside the box. Remember these kind of things. It might save you the trip of having a plumber come out, as long as you could get that little screw out and just get that thing out of there and possibly put a new one in. Got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to keep plumbing.